I'm trying to put this thing away because we have no signal here, and Starlink is very convenient for when you're camping and there's like no way to communicate with the outside world. So so I wanted to talk a little bit about my setup here. Got this Model Y earlier this year, and so it's a 2023 lifted. It's up to 9 inches off the ground with custom wheels from the brand Martian wheels, and then some Nito really capable off-road tires, and we've been having fun with that.
What's your name, by the way? Can you introduce yourself?
Oh yeah, so my name's Rafael. I go by the name TesLatino on Twitter and YouTube, and I also I'm the president and founder of official Tesla Owners Club in South Florida, and we're just enjoying nature for the past few weeks, and we're gonna keep going a little bit longer.
And your wife?
Yeah, and Nancy's back there organizing stuff for the trip that we're continuing later.
That's fancy.
How are you? It's kind of chilly.
It's pretty cold. So what else do we have here? We have
Do you want to pack this up first and then we can continue?
It's okay. No, we can do this because I can keep talking about it. The Y has been, like I said, lifted. I put like skid plates on the bottom to protect it with metal plates, and then we have a little cooler here that we're going to replace with an actually powered fridge. But the cooler here keeps our, cold stuff there, cold like food and drinks. And then we have a set of privacy shades that we use to be in privacy when we're sleeping, because we have a twin size bed so the two of us can sleep comfortable. I also have some extra stuff that doesn't, like, we don't want to clutter the inside, so we have a rooftop box that we use to store things like tent and table and chairs and all that good stuff, along with the Starlink that I'm putting away right now. So I'm just like putting it inside a backpack here, and pretty simple setup actually. We have a gas burner stove that we're going to replace with induction as soon as we can, so we don't keep using propane tanks. And then an awning that we put up. If there's a place where there's no shade, we use the awning to give us some shade. And what else am I missing? We have the bottom trunk in the back that hides like all our food and toiletries and things like that. And the guys that we are with, like Jimmy here, and they showed us the trick of like just using the gym for for taking showers. So we did that, and now we have like really fresh feeling again. Instead of using little wipes all the time to clean ourselves. And what else am I missing? I think that kind of covers it. Yeah, we just like have it in the time of our lives, living in the car and seeing all of these crazy places where nature is abundant, and like spending time with you, Jimmy. This is just a great time that we're having, and I'm glad that we bump into each other. And knowing each other online is very different than hanging out together. So I'm very happy we did that.
Thank you. Yeah, it's been very fun for the last, I don't know, a week or so.
Yeah, it's crazy fun. Yeah.
Where can people find you guys?
Yeah, you can find us usually on Twitter at TesLatino, and the same thing on YouTube.
And I'll put Nancy's Twitter or X on the screen as well.
Yeah, Nancy's Twitter is X, such a dumb name. Anyway, her Twitter handle is TSLATNA, like the stock symbol, TesLatina, but TSLA Tina. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.